Okay, I had to stop because look at this.
Whoa, you hear that?
There's somebody singing. But I had to stop right here. Look at this church. Oh, wait. Yeah, we just had to. We're not even supposed to be parked right there, but look at this monster. Oh, wow. This thing is gorgeous, dude.
Video's starting to get more crazier and crazier now.
So yeah, this is St. John the Baptist Church, built in 1876 in Savannah, Georgia. It's absolutely gorgeous, and the reason why I'm voicing over is because there was some people in the streets acting just ridiculously crazy. But this is one of the churches we saw in Savannah that was insanely beautiful. Like, the construction, the architecture, everything about the church is gorgeous. There's some crazy history about it. If you want to look it up, you can. Like I said, it's St. John the Baptist Church in Savannah, built in 1876. It's insanely gorgeous. So we're at a Randonautica pin right now, called Forgotten, and we're on the backside of a cemetery, and you're not gonna believe what we just came across. It's a casket back here. Like, this is insane.
There's a casket.
And all kinds of other stuff. There's another lid to a casket there, flowers, and just stuff that they decided to throw out. This is, and the pin's Forgotten. This is crazy. Caskets and all kinds of craziness. But yeah, it's fire though. So yeah, everybody's on. We're live right now, but we came across this right here. And as far down as where that truck is, all the way up here, all of this is like abandoned old storage. It's either storage slash a church slash flea market, something. But there's tons of stuff inside. It's all on camera. So you can go over to the live stream and check it out. But yeah, this place is cool. Now on to the next. And we're back. Look at this. Gorgeous little pond right here at PK. Absolutely beautiful scenery here. It's insanely gorgeous out here, everybody. You know it's not a league video without a train, right? It's extremely beautiful today, though. Loud train. Like, y'all look at this. I'm not even like, it's just the fog. We're literally chilling in the clouds right now.
Yeah, that's fog.
It's crazy how foggy it is out here. You can just see the fog just rolling. It's just rolling through. It's just crazy. Kind of reminds